Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find help settings on your account on uh, on Roblox, easy and quick. First, click here, and here you'll find it. You'll find help settings. Click on it, and here, as you see, you can manage your help settings. You can ask this help center, and that's it. That's how to find help settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.